Let me get my zone.
Got
the chakras here.
Taller than me. What the fuck?
Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I haven't made a video like this in a while, but the first video of 2019 where I'm talking like this, I wanted to make it special, so I flew all the way to Brooklyn, New York to link up with the homie, Sales Funnel God, Miguel Johnson Jr., Rico Click.
What's
Click
good?
And today we are going to talk about a topic that I know every white girl in this world loves to talk about, and that is traveling, okay? So me and Miguel, we're kind of big on traveling, like every other white girl in this world. So today we're going to tell you guys why we're going to travel a lot this year, the importance of it, and just literally just have a convo about traveling. I know it's going to like go different ways. You're going to learn a lot, and I'm telling you, if you are someone that does not like traveling, hopefully this video changes your mind. And you know what? Like, let's just get into it, man. But before we even start, I know most of you guys know Miguel, but I want you, Miguel, to introduce yourself to the people that don't know you. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, let them know who you are, man. You're the Sales Funnel guy, but let them know more about you.
So, I'm Miguel, a.k.a. Sales Funnel God, a.k.a. Rico Click, from Los Angeles. Dropped out of college with 1 semester left and built 3 six-figure companies that same exact, like the very next year. So, that's basically it. Me and Splashman met through our mutual mentor, Brandon Carter. Traveled around a bit. Now I'm in New York, based out for a little bit. And then in just a few months, me and Splashman are about to take to the skies.
So yeah, like one of my biggest goals for 2019, I don't know if I've shared it, is to travel to 10 places. And literally this month, I'm going to hit up 4. I'm just going to talk about, actually, you know what? Before I even say that, me and him are actually hitting a lot of places together. So let's talk about the places we're going and why we're going there, right? So before you start, let me tell you mine. So first thing I did, came to New York. That's number 1. Me and him, we're going to Newport Beach for an event. We're going to talk about that in a second. And then we're both going to go to LA. He's from LA, so it's not like really traveling from him, but it's my first time in LA. And then we're going to Miami. So Miguel, let them know what we're doing there and why we're doing it.
All of those places?
What are we doing in Newport?
Newport High Status Summit. Is this going to be out before that?
Probably.
Yo, if you see us at High Status Summit, feel free to say what's up.
Yo, let us know. Like, link us, man. Like, we would love to meet people. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So we're going to a High Status Summit in Newport. Then we're just gonna go to LA to chill.
Just to go.
just to go, man, for the vibes. You know what I'm saying? And also, then we're going to Miami. And what I want you to talk about this because you were the one that made me buy a ticket at a higher price. So let them know why we're going to Miami first and then why we bought a VIP ticket to this event.
So we are going to Miami to go to 10X Growth Con. And we made sure to sit in VIP. There are tons of people in like the higher stages.
It's literally 10 times less money, but we're like, yo, nah.
Yeah, we're paying for proximity to all the people who actually have money to be able to sit on the field. And we're just a couple of steps away from all the diamond seaters who are just like, you know, they just all have like multi-million dollars, probably billionaires sitting up there. And we're so close to them. It's just the networking opportunities are insane, and just Miami's just going to be a great event. The speaker line is crazy. We're going to learn a ton. We're going to network with a bunch of people. It's just, I'm so fucking excited for that event.
And yeah, like, you know what I'm saying? Like what he just said, man, paying for proximity and like just changing up the environment, man. Like I've said this before and I say this again, the biggest change in my life came when I went to California and changed up my environment. That's why I'm also so excited to go back to Newport Beach, because I fell in love with that place. There's so much wealthy shit around there, like it's wild, right? So just changing up the environment, meeting new people, just networking with like some top killers and like, you know, like people that go to 10X Growth Con, they're going to be VIP and like, you know, the diamond and premier seats, like they're going to be some top killers, and you get like access to some networking parties. So just that alone, man, like the network alone is worth whatever we paid and how, like, you know, how much we're going to spend there, because in the long term, we both know that that's going to make us so much more money, and if not even that, like change our mindset in a way where we view things differently, and it'll definitely impact our life, like either directly or indirectly. So that's just like, yo, take this in, guys. This is just the first month of the year. we still have plans to go so many other places. So we're gonna name some right now. Name your place that you really want to go to.
I want to go to back to Colombia so fucking bad.
Wants to go to Colombia. The reasons are simple. It's a beautiful country with good government, I guess.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
Government and nature, baby.
Delicious food too.
Of course. And I want to go to Bali, live there for a month or so. Definitely going to be with him. And man, there's honestly, I can name a bunch of other places I also want to go to. So I want to hit up Portugal. I want to hit up where else, man? I can't even think, man.
France, Italy,
Europe,
Thailand,
London, all these places. And the reason we're doing that, man, is you gotta travel your world, travel to world to see what's out there. And every place you go to, you learn so much. And not only that, I feel like us going to Thailand and Bali is gonna kind of humble us, because we'll get to see or even Colombia, man. We'll get to see people living lives that we didn't even think were normal. In here that you wouldn't see. Even when I went to Nepal, it really humbled me and it really put life into perspective. Because I'm I was just more grateful after that. But that's just one part of things. But when you travel, bro, you just learn so much. Not even about the country or whatever, but also about yourself, all the different lessons and the cool people you meet as well. What is another reason that you want to travel, bro?
One of the big reasons is just expansive thinking. You get so stuck in your own little world when you don't leave the country that you're in or the city or the state, and then the second you start flying around, you do get to experience all these different cultures. All these experiences they just start to build you up. And there's actually, I've heard multiple copywriters say that their businesses started to blow up after they started traveling and seeing different things.
Oh yeah.
Because they just you're able to apply all these life experiences to whatever you're doing, whether it be your relationships, business, or just your own personal growth. Traveling is only a positive.
Yeah, man. You don't know what you don't know, man. So you get open to a lot of things that you didn't even know existed. For me, as I said, when I went to Newport Beach, I didn't know that type of wealth was. I didn't know there was a place like that where I would see that many exotic cars and just driving normally. You know what I mean? So it's just opening your eyes to see show what's possible, and it's another bit of motivation. But that's traveling is another big thing, man. Let's be honest, life is short, and you want to be making sure that at the end of the day, you got to experience life to the fullest. You know what I mean?
The last thing you want to do is look back and be like, "Fuck, why didn't I do it?"
Bro, you don't ever want to have that, the pain of rejection, man. I mean, no, the pain of regret. I mean, you don't ever want to have that pain of regret where you're like, "Damn, I should have done that." So at the end of the day, life is this world is such a beautiful place. You can learn so much. There's so much out there to explore, and visiting it, you learn, you get better as a person, and it's just something you have to do while you're out here in this earth, man. Mm-hmm. Don't be average. Don't stay in that cubicle shit, bro. Be out there, explore. There's more to life than where you are and what you think is out there.
And you never know who the hell you're gonna meet.
Oh man,
across the world, you can meet someone and you two can become best friends. You can meet the freaking girl of your dreams or the guy of your dreams or whatever. You have no idea who is across the world who is just ready and willing to make your life better just because you two know each other.
Exactly, man. So yeah, that is the video about traveling. This is why we think traveling is so important. We've both seen a big impact in ourselves ever since we started traveling. So before we end this video, you want to say anything to the people? I should let them know where to follow you. All that good stuff. So
yeah, if you look me up, Miguel Johnson Jr. on YouTube and Instagram, you'll find me. Other than that, stay grateful, stay blessed.
All the things will be in the description as well. But yeah, as we said, stay grateful, stay blessed. Remember, life is too beautiful to ever trip over anything. Just stay in the present moment. Enjoy this world. This world has a lot to offer. And yeah, man, just get out there and explore, because you will meet some dope people. You'll do bigger things. And at the end of the day, man, you don't want to wake up old as fuck realizing that, damn, I didn't really live life to the fullest. I should have traveled more. So that's the last thing you want to do. But other than that, guys, have a great day. I love y'all. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys like this video, subscribe, like it. I'm going to be making more videos like this. And we're going to be traveling, so you're going to see more of vlogs and lifestyle type video, because I do want to document these experiences and share it with people. So when I can look back at this and be like, damn, that shit really did change me. But yeah. Other than that is it for this video. I'll see you guys later. Peace.